There's a significant difference between being rational and being reasonable. This was pointed out to me when I was reading Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman, which is an absolute masterpiece. Toward the end of the book, he said, rationality implies pure logic. And that's a nice thing to say. I think a lot of times when in a business setting, we like to think, well, certainly I'm a rational person. We think rationally. We want to use logic. We want to use data for decision making. All good things. But that's different than being reasonable in the true sense of the word, or using reason. Reason implies that there's a social context to this. And it also reminds us that when we're being reasonable, we're not necessarily only relying on logic. And here's the hard reality. None of us are purely rational. And in fact, that probably wouldn't be a good thing, because we wouldn't be very good at dealing with other people. So yes, it is good to be rational. We need to engage that higher order logical parts of our brain for sure. But we also need to be reasonable. Those are two different things, and reasonable implies that all of this happens within a social context, and it appreciates the fact that a lot of our thinking is actually not rational.